Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to enable spO2 blood oxygen monitoring on the REDMI Watch 6. So if you want to be able to monitor your blood oxygen, and it's going to display your blood oxygen levels, I'm going to show you how to enable the option. And the first thing that we're going to do is open up the Mi Fitness app, which is the app that allows our phone to connect to our watch. And then we are going to go to Device. Make sure you have the watch paired to the phone. Then we are going to press on Fitness and Health, Blood Oxygen, and enable all-day tracking. So it's going to basically automatically track your blood oxygen throughout the day. Now, you can also enable blood oxygen alerts, which will notify you when your blood oxygen drops below the number that you set. So just select the option that you want. And once you're done, you can just exit out and your options will be saved. Now, all you need to do is wear the watch. It's without straps right now. Here are the straps, I have to take them off. But all you have to do is just keep wearing the watch. And if you keep wearing the watch throughout the day, you are going to find the tracking of the statistics about your blood oxygen here in the health section under blood oxygen, so in the blood oxygen tab. So this is where all of the information is going to be displayed. Now, I haven't measured my blood oxygen yet on this watch, so there's no data to be displayed. But if you had your blood oxygen measured, it's going to be displayed in the blood oxygen section. And that is pretty much it for this video. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.